Howdy folks, welcome back to Wasatch Moto. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install a Course Motorsports phone mount. This is a magnetic phone mount specific to a 2003 Toyota Sequoia or any of the first gen Sequoias. So I'll show you what comes in the box when you get it. So it comes with an alcohol pad. These are the magnetic bases that you stick to your phone. Here's the actual thing that will go on the Sequoia right here. Comes with a ball, an Allen tool to actually secure the mount in place, and then it also comes with the very simple but very effective mounting bracket. So this is what it looks like, and I'll show you how easy it is to install here. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to push these both forward, or back, excuse me, and we're going to pull these Phillips screws out. So you're just gonna grab these two pieces right here, pull down and back, and this whole piece will just slide out like that. So as you have this facing down here, you'll notice this one little screw. You're gonna take that screw out, and then you are going to attach this guy right here. It fits really nicely. Now we're just gonna pop this piece back in, just like that, and look how nice that is. It's super solid. Next step is we're gonna thread this ball on, and this is where we're gonna use our Allen tool. Just gonna give that a good snug up there. I'm gonna pop this in place, making sure that this is loose first, then tighten it up, and you are good to go. And you can tighten this up depending on how solid you want this to be. And this is great because in this position, they've engineered this to where, like with my current one that I have here, I don't think you can mount a tablet like that. But the advantage, I didn't know about these until very recently. Full disclosure, they sent me this mount very generously to do a review on it, and I think it's amazing, honestly. If I had known about this, obviously I wouldn't have put this adhesive one on. This was pretty recent that I put this on, so I'm gonna take it off and hopefully it doesn't leave any residue. So that's a huge advantage that you know, you don't have to stick this to your dashboard. It's bolt on, and it's more solid. You know, that could eventually fall off, but this is very sturdy. It's not going anywhere, and you can actually attach a tablet here for, you know, for overlanding. If you want to have your Gaia maps pulled up, this would be really good for that. So friends, if you want a mount for your first gen Sequoia and you don't want to fool with getting the universal one, this one, I noticed you can hear it didn't quite stick on the corners. You don't have to worry about any of this with your custom mount that's made specifically for the first gen Sequoia. So go to their website, pick you up one, and I'm sure you'll be happy, really happy with this car mount. I know for sure that I'm going to be happy with it. It seems very solid. When I first got the package, I was like, this is the mounting mechanism, like how would this even work? But they've engineered it really well to where it's nicely placed and it's just really solid. So anyways, hope you guys found this video helpful. Check out Course Motorsports, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Later.